Hey there!
Welcome to Seesaw the Podcast, real talk on all the ups and downs of Filipino adulting. Join Enya, Karel, and Yuji for tawanan, kwentuhan, and everything in between. Sabay-sabay tayong same here. Play with us on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and on socials, everything at Seesaw PH.
Hi guys, welcome back. This is
Seesaw the Podcast! Episode 2!
episode 2. Welcome back to the third video of Seesaw the Podcast.
Mhm.
And for today's episode, we'll be talking about mental health.
Yeah.
What else? What else?
Ah.
Diba? Itong topic na to kasi, we really have to talk about it or parang i-push pa siya. I mean, people are talking about it pero, 'di ba, dagdag natin yung ingay ng Sisa Podcast. Wow, ingay ng Sisa Podcast dito sa pag-tackle and pag-break ng stigma about mental health issues and finding balance, no? As Filipino adults, as Filipino cuties.
Oo. Adult cuties.
Diba? So today we're gonna be, kaming tatlo, medyo magiging vulnerable kami.
Yeah.
Guys.
Uy.
This is very
Parang tulad nung last na episode natin.
last episode
Yeah.
natin, which is may technical difficulty kami.
Difficulties.
So
Yeah.
wala yung video guys. I'm really sorry kasi alam mo yun.
Pero grabe yung emotions nung...
Grabe yun. Hindi natin
As in, hindi na lang natin nagamit yung videos.
Oh,
it's
guys.
okay. It's
Please
Yeah.
i-support yung episode na yon, yung last week's
Oo.
episode kasi umiyak si Karel doon.
Oo.
And gusto namin i-monetize yun. Diba? Kasi kung kayo yung
Well.
iiyak kami, susupport namin talaga yun.
Uy.
Kasi naglabas na talaga ng heart niya.
Lalabas.
True.
Heart niya si Karel.
Naging vulnerable. So, sa audience.
Hindi ko yun
Ah,
expect, to be
sa
honest.
kanila. Oo.
Akala ko ako yun eh. Iyak.
Kala ko din.
Hindi. May
Tapos
ano
biglang
tayo,
ako.
may ano tayo dito, may episode kung saan forte mo yung umiyak. Parang, oh guys.
Buong 1
Ikaw
hour
naman.
ng podcast, umiiyak lang ako.
Diba?
So yun, for today's episode, we'll kind of parang assist in breaking the stigma and finding ways to balance everything mental health wise. And let's start with how mental health looks different across our generations. Diba? For example, ano ba yung mental health sa inyo as a generation ng mga millennials?
Sa millennials.
Sa atin actually, technically part.
Actually, hindi siya masyado iniisip masyado sa millennials. Kasi parang yung siguro sa parents, pag talaga siguro na, ay, tinamaan ka lang ng kaartihan. Mga ganun.
Diba?
Like normal, ganun lang.
That's-
Tapos, bahala ka na mag-struggle na, wala, kaya yan. Yung parang
Oo.
ganun ba? Hindi kami nung unang panahon. Parang ganun ba?
Parang kung ayaw mo magka-problema, wag mo problemahin.
Oo, parang
Kung ayaw mo
ganun.
isipin, wag mo
Oo.
isipin.
Yung parang kapag may ubo ka, wag ka umubo. Parang ganun yung, yun actually ang parang pwedeng analogy.
Siguro to be fair with their generation, hindi siya as talked about as much na kailangan siya i-talk about because una-una, social media, walang social media to spread the news about mental health. And another one is yung upbringing ng mga parents natin. Kasi ano ba naman yung, I mean, 'di ba, yung taboo ng may problem ka sa mentally na
Mentally,
hindi ka healthy mentally. Ibig sabihin nun may tawag sa na crazy ka or 'di ba, or nawala na to sa ano niya. Pero hindi siya na address kung paano siya dapat i-address unlike sa generations na naming mga younger
Mas exposed ka, no?
younger millennials and Gen Z.
Yeah, exactly. Sa Gen Z naman, I think we can say na it's way more progressive than the generation ng millennial and the earlier generation. But I must say na it is progressive, but at the same time, ano bang opposite ng progressive?
Stagnant.
Like, ano siya, for
Stagnant.
me, it's, one step, three steps forward, two steps back.
So parang
Ganun
somehow, nasa, progressive na phase tayo in
Yeah.
terms of addressing mental health.
Mm.
But at the same time, may hila pa siya.
May hila siya.
Pabalik.
And I say that it's because while our generation is much more vocal about our emotions, our feelings, we tend to be vulnerable online. But at the same time, some people utilize that as a weapon to create an excuse card in certain situations na they need to take accountability or they need to be responsible with their actions, but they use the struggles that they had to to be their shield para maiwasan nila yung controversies or maiwasan nila yung pagiging cancelable na
Parang kunwari, nag-cheat ako kasi
yes,
ganyan.
exactly.
Problems.
Oo.
So, that's why I say na it's
cheat ako dahil namatay lol. O yung mga ganun.
Hindi, yung may mga may mga,
I mean,
I know that's
naapektuhan
your,
yun. Ang dami din kayo masabi na gano'n. Nag-cheat ako kasi namatay aso niya daw. Parang gano'n. Pero meme lang yun.
Nila, yun nga, wini-weaponize nila yung pagiging, for example, kasi merong parang certain influencer ako parang this year lang din, na nabash or na-cancel online because of their actions parang sa reality show. And then, yung parang, yung excuse niya doon, instead of apologizing, siguro, ginamit niya na yung neurodivergent card niya. Na parang vina-validate ko na ganito yung actions ko, guys. Kasi neurodivergent ako, blah, 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 blah. I mean, we get it. Pero parang human decency na lang minsan nakakalimutan natin. Na parang hindi every time na may actions kang, hindi naman mistake, pero may actions kang nakaka-offend or nakakasakit sa iba, is gagamitin mo na kasi, ladies and gentlemen,
our
guest for today.
Yes, Mochi.
Say hi.
Hi, Mochi.
Di ba huwag bahawak?
So yun, parang,
Anyway,
hindi siya, siguro, parang, sa wrong term to describe it, pero hindi mo kailangang gamitin yun as excuse. Kasi in the first place, hindi yun yung issue. Yung issue is how you handled the situation, how you reacted. Parang ganun.
But also to add on that, it is actually known also for the neurodivergents that they lack on the social cues. They don't know how to respond in certain situations that other people who is not part of the who is not part of the community ng neurodivergent. Di ba when a normal, quote unquote normal person will communicate to a person, di ba, may eye contact, they respond well, they know how to banter. Pero sa mga neurodivergent, they're I can't say they're selfish, but at the same time they are, not because they want to, it's because they just don't understand the concept of community, na yung mag-build ng community.
Okay.
Kasi isa yung environment nila. They were used to being alone. Kasi nga, they're different from the normal people. But at the same time, I'm not saying na that should be an excuse.
Yeah.
Kasi, like I understand, like, it's normal for them to struggle. Pero, the thing kasi I don't like about what the person or the influencer did is to, utilize it as a weapon and say na, because I'm a neurodivergent. We're there for you, like, we understand na, yun nga, na it's a struggle for you. Pero, at the same time, just because you struggle with it doesn't mean that you don't have to learn. Kasi, the reason why we are spreading mental health awareness is for us to be aware that there are certain disorders that needs attention.
Yeah.
Attention in the sense of therapy, medication. Kasi sa Philippines kasi, di ba, the budget ng mental health, 5% of the 5% na budget sa healthcare natin sa Pilipinas. I know.
Imagine, no?
That's
Oo.
why we are here sa Philippines. It's very important for us to really spread mental health awareness para lang maintindihan ng mamayan, ng kababayan natin na importance ng mental health.
Yeah.
Pero at the same time, just because it is important doesn't mean
It's above every other
yes.
Mm,
Kasi
like
it's,
health
yes.
aspects ng people.
Yeah.
Mm.
So, ayun. Yun yan.
Ka-level
Yung
din ng parang ng physical health. Kailangan.
Oo.
Mm.
Same din sila na level, at least ba?
Oo.
Yeah.
I think it's more on ano lang talaga. It's more on parang the awareness really. It's not saying na mental health is much more important than other issues that we have in the country. Pero it's more on giving its importance then as much as you give other importance to certain departments ng meron sa Philippines.
Yeah.
Ayan.
So, kumbaga yung parang equality ng mga
Exactly.
awarenesses natin in terms of health. So, physical, mental. So, hindi siya gets natin. Well, kailangan talaga siya ng awareness dito sa Philippines. And the fact na some other, di naman nila lahat, no? Pero some older generations, they don't believe that there is mental health even. So, yun lang siguro. As youth,
Kayo na lang.
as youth siguro, let's just be patient. Na even though hindi sila naniniwala doon, that doesn't mean it does not exist.
Yes.
Kasi, alam mo yun, na parang there are many cases na nawawala yung mga tao. I mean, nawawala, wala, for real, because of mental health issues. So, it's really something alarming. So, yung moving forward dito sa sa episode today, we'll be talking about our weekly ups and downs then. And medyo may caps lang yung weekly ups and downs natin ngayon. So, I want to know kung ano yung ups and downs natin this week in terms of parang na nag-impact siya sa mental health natin. Ano yung medyo na-challenge tayo na down this week? And at the same time, anong highs natin this week? Who wants to go first? So for me siguro, something na high, for example, sa akin, this week,
Your highlight.
yung up ko this week will be pag-take off ko ng mga checklists ko sa work. So parang, yung iba dun matagal na backlogs. Pero this week, parang tinutukan ko talaga siya over the weekend even. Na parang hindi ako nag-work nun. I'm not paid to do that. Pero siguro, alam mo yun, may mga moments talaga tayo na may nadidelay. Hindi ko naman sinasabing intentional siya, pero may mga other urgent tasks kasi na pumapasok. So, kailangan ko siya i-focus and yun, even yung mga plans for 2025 sa work is medyo naumpisahan ko na. So, that's my highlight for this week. Kasi matagal na siya sa isip ko din. So, medyo anxious ako in a way na baka hindi ko siya matapos on time or hindi siya humabol sa due date. Pero, yun, nagawa naman natin na paraan. And one of my lows siguro that impacted my mental health or mental health this week would be number one talaga yung lack of sleep ko. Kasi, yun, sabi ni Apple Watch kasi, yung sleep ko na average ngayon is nasa 5 to 6 hours. So, may mga days na less than that pa.
Oh.
So, this week lang siya nangyayari. Siguro, dala na lang din ng ng mga bagay-bagay. Pero yun lang, gusto ko lang, medyo na-stress lang ako noon kasi syempre wala kang tulog. So, affected yung mga succeeding activities na dapat, alam mo yan, medyo okay ka, alert ka. Tapos balik sa coffee, Tapos,
Ay.
ma-hyper ka na naman. Tapos, mali yung energy consumption ko and parang allocation ko.
Yun.
So, yun lang naman this week. Malit na bagay. Joke lang.
Ang dami rin puyat sa
Diba?
lahat ng mga generation ngayon. Puyat lagi.
Puyat.
Dahil siguro kakascroll na rin. Doom scrolling din
yeah.
talaga eh.
So, yan yung down mo.
Yan yung down mo. Have you done
Uy!
that?
Parang this week siguro
First-
grabe ka, doom scrolling talaga.
Intense yung doom scrolling.
Oo, parang nakaasa lang doon yung... Hirap na ako medyo magbasa ng kahit isang chapter libro.
Oh.
Gano'n na siya kailangan ko na mag-stop siguro ng pakunti-kunti. Paunti-unti.
Oo. Don't force it na,
Kasi babalik ka pa rin
Oo.
pag ganyan.
to combat like, ano ba tawag yan? Like, for example, sa gambling addiction, like gambling.
Parang easy access mang.
Oo. At saka, like, you tend to be entertained kasi. Diba? Pero at the same time, huwag mo biglain na, stop.
Abruptly lang.
Yeah, that's the word I was
Dapat
looking
medyo,
gradual.
o kundi, medyo
Oo.
i-substitute mo ng
Dahan-dahan.
another activity na lang. Kahit gano'n na
And
lang.
mag-start ka siguro by parang having some time limit doon sa screen time.
Oh.
Parang-
Actually, you can set it up sa phone mo.
Oh, yung screen limit. Kasi,
Oo.
ginaano ko din eh.
Nag-cancel mo.
For another day.
Yeah.
Diba?
Pero at the same time then, like, know that, fun fact for everybody,
Yeah.
fun fact, it takes 21 days to create a habit, but for it to break, it takes 3 years.
Oh.
Yeah. So, other people combat, like a habit. Example, it's a bad habit. They try to look for a parallel habit na to combat it para mas earlier yung pagwala ng habit na yun.
Okay.
Kasi if for you to break it, diba, take it 3 years, and what if you really need to stop it? So, they find a parallel habit to it.
Okay.
For example,
The more you know.
Yeah.
for example, you don't drink water. It's your bad habit to not drink water. So, what the other people do, when I say other people, yung mga nakaka-communicate ko through my internship and such, they do it as a game. They create the habit of like playing a game. So, di ba may parang puso ngayon
yung parang may label.
Na
Parang need mo na
in this time,
oras,
yes.
ganyan.
So, they did that. Tapos they reward themselves. If
Nice.
na finish na yung bottle. Until such time na naging habit. So, for example, part siya sa learning process is yung operant conditioning ni B.F. Skinner, yung negative reinforcement. So, you provide a certain, like for example, reward doon. So, yung pag-drink ng water, you're not capable of drinking water, hindi siya part ng routine mo. So, to combat that, they reward themselves by doing yung sa water jug.
Oh, yung water jug na merong label.
Yes.
Inom ka tubig, ganito.
If they've done it, then they will reward themselves. So, mas mag-increase yung habit nila to drink water. Until such time, wala nang reward na receive kasi sanay ka na. So, you will drink water na.
Kaya
So
pala,
it's conditioned.
nagisikat niya sa office namin nung last. Yung ganyan na jug.
Really?
Oo. Tapos dahil doon siguro kay, bilis na maubos nung dispenser.
So, at least, that's a good thing kasi
Okay
they're
siya.
drinking water.
I think
Okay
that's
talaga.
before pandemic na medyo humingay yung tumbler na.
Yeah. Speaking of operant conditioning, share ko lang. I remember I read this on Reddit. I'm not sure if it's legit though, kasi it's Reddit. Pero I find it cute. Kasi there's this like student na may crush siya sa classmate niya. And every time, meron sila isang same subject. So every time that this girl will see her crush, you'll always give candy. candy that the guy likes.
Mm.
Every time na mag-meet sila. And then such time na, siguro, it took like months siguro, or days. Until such time na, every time the guy goes to the class, he's super excited to see the girl. Kasi nasanay na
candy
siya.
pala ang
Because of the candy. Kahit na hindi magbigay yung girl ng candy. Or hindi binigyan ng candy yung girl.
Uy,
Excited na yung guy because of that.
ang galing pala ng ganyan.
So, sa mga
Technique.
may gustong ayan dyan, diba?
Yeah.
Candy technique.
Guys, candy lang.
Oo.
Candy lang.
Oo. Ganyan pala. Maganda yun.
Yeah.
Oo.
Apparent conditioning.
Oh.
So, that's one example of it.
Ito na yun. Next slide. So, nakita ko yun.
Yeah. Galing.
Ochi.
Ochi.
Makikiinom ka
Dito
talaga.
kasi yung cut ko sa...
Yeah.
Sige.
Yung kaninang guest natin na cut.
Si Mochi.
Oo.
Ah,
Siya muna yung director natin for today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway,
Saan ba
ups and
tayo?
downs.
Yeah, you're
Ay,
ups.
pala.
You're ups.
Yung ups siguro, hindi ko alam kung makonsider ko na ups or downs. Kasi parang yung tulog ko, 10 to 12 hours eh. So,
Binawi mo yung
hypersomnia.
kulang ka sa tulog. Ikaw yung sumobra sa tulog.
Oo.
As in, ikaw
Ako
pa
na
sa 6
nag-leave
hours.
halfway tayo.
As in, dapat at least para 8 ba? No.
Magkano ba kulang mo? Sabihin,
Oo.
text mo ko.
Oh,
Kulang mo
Ay,
dyan.
sige, bigyan ko
Ganun
lang ito.
Ako na ako natutulog na
Kung
para
gano'n
sa'yo.
na ka-import, ka-easy, no?
Easy. Try to, before you sleep, try to meditate.
Meditate.
Meditate. Sorry.
Meditate.
Meditate. Try to meditate. Para lang yung sleep mo proper na. Kasi diba, dapat sa adult,
Okay. Actually, 8 hours.
actually, the 8 hours, ano siya,
Para sa babies.
no, baby's more than
10 to 12. Oh, baby ako.
Baby niya.
Ah, baby.
Pero ano kasi, diba, the older we get, the less
Lesser.
yung
Sleep.
required natin na sleep. Depende naman yan sa iba kung saan sila mas nagpa-function.
Oh.
6 to 7 hours
Ang sa
sa adults.
30s. 30s.
Other piece yun.
At least 7 to 8 hours.
Oo.
Diba?
Pero sa
For
mga
adults.
Pero yun, diba, hindi naman nila na-recommend. Okay lang more than.
Oo.
Ibig sabihin, hindi siya.
Ay, hindi naman siya ganun ka. Pero makataba
Baka
lang
may
siya.
mga underlying issues
Yeah, you
lang
need
or
to,
isip.
ano,
May naiisip ka.
Siguro.
for your stress.
Stress siguro.
So,
Parang siguro, malaki din siguro na factor ng stress. No?
yeah, hypersomnia and insomnia, it's usually,
Parang
rooted
medyo
for
ano pa rin
stress.
yan eh.
Yeah,
Oo.
with stress.
Yun siguro.
Yeah.
Stress pa rin.
So,
It's kind of a low.
How about your up?
you're up.
Any up
Ano,
highlight?
parang nasobrahan ako ng oxytocin. Hoy!
Wait lang, ano yung oxytocin?
Ano
May
po?
oxytocin.
Hindi ko
Oxytocin.
na maalala.
Oxytocin.
So based
yan.
dito,
Oo.
it's a natural hormone that stimulates uterine contractions in childbirth. And
Oh, hindi ganyan. Hindi yung serotonin siguro, doy.
reproductive system. Oxytocin.
Hindi.
Nice cream oxytocin with Billie Eilish.
Yes, I love Billie Eilish.
Anyway, baka gusto mong sabihin is
Serotonin.
happy hormones.
Sabi ko, oxytocin.
Wag naman tayo dyan sa childbird. Grabe naman kayo.
Serotonin is a neurotransmitter with an integral
Yes.
physiological role in the human body.
Kasi, exercise.
Ay,
Yeah, na exercise, di ba?
iba
So
siguro.
it's, ano siya?
No, I mean like when you exercise,
Yun
you
yan.
also get
Siguro laging ano siguro yan dalawa. Hindi man.
oxytocin,
Madami siya kasi
serotonin.
happiness eh.
Hindi,
Endorphin.
endorphin is like a happy hormone also, pero ang difference niya, ayan.
Okay lang.
So, dopamine makes us feel good.
Dopamine.
So, serotonin is like, it reduces our depression.
Pag super energetic ka sa bagay, tapos, ano tawag doon? Na parang,
Adrenaline.
Adrenaline rush.
parang ganun yung may endorphins na napoproduce.
Yeah.
Kasi minsan hindi mo na na-feel na may sugat or something kasi yung adrenaline, nasa
Yeah.
rush ka,
Oh.
nasa stage.
Ganun.
Parang ganun.
Ganun.
Diba?
Yeah.
So, with your love life naman, na very happy, dapat isipin mo na parang, uy, may love life ako, so, ibawasan mo yung tulog ka kasi hindi ko siya kasama sa pagtulog. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Hey, manormal yung aking sleeping pattern, no? Kasi walang kakadin. Hoy!
Wait lang. Ano nga
May shoutout sa mga gusto mag-cuddle. Cuddle lang kayo. Cuddle well.
Yeah.
So yun, that's it for Carol's ups and downs this week. Ikaw, and what about you? What's your ups and downs?
My highlight for this week was meeting my friend. Oh, it's
Uy.
been like more than a year na we haven't met.
Katagal na
Namiss.
nun.
Actually, hindi na din kasi masyado kaming nag-uusap online. Like, even like, you know, like, kamusta ka?
Parang
ganyan.
low maintenance.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, low
Nice,
Okay
maintenance
yan.
siya na friendship.
Oh.
So, ayun, I was really happy na I was able to meet her and her boyfriend, reveal na naman.
Uy.
Yeah, but no, the guy,
Okay
the
lang
boyfriend
naman.
naman is very nice.
Oh.
Tapos, for my,
Down naman, down.
Tapos,
Low
Ah.
light.
my low
Low.
light, it's my quarter life crisis. Oo. Kasi I actually,
Everybody can
everybody,
relate. Yes,
can
no?
relate naman. You mentioned na you want to try out different things.
Generalist, diba?
Mm.
Medyo ang tawag dyan, no?
Mm-mm.
And
And so, I also want to try that too. Ayun, medyo lang, questionable lang. Kasi, yun nga, di ba, job hunting at the same time. So, it's quite hard for you to balance that as well. Pero at the same time, like, I'm happy kasi I'm able to tick off, like, one of those, like, life projects that I want to try, and which is having a podcast.
Yun.
So, na din, it's another highlight.
It's very, very
Oo,
good.
for my week, for my month.
All of us
Oh.
here na parang, kasi mahirap i-pursue yung something na bagay na passionate ka. And, di ba, gusto mo talaga at the same time na parang maganda kasi gawin yung bagay na na gusto mo, di ba? Parang walang pagod.
Walang
Less
gastos.
pagod siguro.
Wala talaga yan.
Parang okay lang kasi
Oo.
gusto ko to yung ginagawa ko. And
Oh.
hopefully it will all be worth it. No? So, kung ano man yung pinipursue nyo,
Yeah.
as much as possible, hanapin nyo kung ano yung passion nyo siguro and then go from there.
Yeah.
Pursue your passion. Kasi at the end of the day, iba pa rin yung gumigising ka kasi gusto mo. Parang yun, di ba? Gusto mo yung
Meron
gagawin
kang-
mo
Oo.
pagising.
Kahit na alam niyo yung mahirap siya,
Mm.
or like, ang daming stresses, pero at the same time, hindi talaga siya stress kasi it's a you stress.
Yeah.
It's a good stress
Yeah.
kasi you're happy with what you are doing. Yeah.
So that's our ups and downs
Down.
this week. So hopefully you guys could also share yours, your weekly ups and downs sa comment
Yeah.
box below.
Continue the conversation.
And saan pa? Socials?
Sa
Instagram, Discord,
X, Discord, at saka
TikTok,
TikTok.
every, well,
Except Facebook.
yeah.
It's PH, guys.
Yeah.
Continue the conversation. We've already parang kami post on about yung weekly ups and downs.
Yes.
You can share, comment there. And speaking of mental health, what are our parang small, kahit one small routine lang or habit that helps keep us parang grounded? For example, ako, one thing I can really parang ina-advocate is having some social media detox every once in a while. Kasi for me, it really helps. May moments before na parang social media is very toxic to me kasi I always see everyone's highlights, for example. And it got me parang insecure na parang, kino-compare ko yung sarili ko sa kanila na bakit ganito na sila, hindi na ako dito pa. Alam mo yun, yung usual insecurity issues natin. Pero, alam ko naman at the back of my mind na parang, this is social media. This is just parang a facade of some people. Alam naman natin, in reality, hindi to ganito ka-perfect.
Yes.
Pero, at the same time, na parang, sayang, parang sabi ko, gusto ko din maganon. And medyo toxic na siya, na hindi na okay yung parang headspace ko during those times. So, I try to get off social media. Mahirap yun for us.
Gano'n ka
especially.
frequent din? Social
For
media?
now, hindi na ako masyadong, hindi,
Nagsasasabi.
naging habit ko na siya na hindi masyadong mag-open. Like, for example, mag-check
okay,
ako na
okay.
Instagram.
Puro
Like,
reels.
first 1, 2, 3 posts, parang okay na ako. Or first story, kung sino yung ititingnan ko na story, kung sino lang yun. Parang okay na ako kasi parang hindi na siya necessity for me
Oh.
to know what's happening. Unless it's parang medyo may news lang
Oh.
or may something na nangyari. Kunwari, yung last is yung US elections or yung bagyo
Oh.
na nangyari sa Philippines,
Mm.
na dumaan sa Philippines. So, yung mga ganun lang. So, social media detox every once in a while na pag nag-doom scroll ka na, diba? Parang, iwasan mo na yung mga makakaano sa'yo siguro. Iniiwasan ko na yung mga alam ko nakaka-trigger ng insecurity ko.
Mm.
Or hindi talaga siya nakaka-help. So, as much as possible, I go out. Hindi ko naman kailangan i-log out yung
Oh.
accounts
Yung
ko.
iba kasi gina-deactivate pa nila, no?
Pero with me, I don't have to do that. I just
Like,
control
yeah.
na hindi ako mag-open
Mm.
or distract myself from it.
Yeah.
Yan lang naman. It really helps.
Mm.
It really helps to cleanse kung ano man yung standards na napot ng
Yung
society.
state train kasi ng utak mo, no? Parang mag-ano siya, balik siya sa default state. Ma-meditate ka lalo.
Mm.
Parang ganun.
Wala na yung pressure to keep up with
Oo.
things kasi people,
social media lang naman.
yun,
Parang
medyo
ganun.
toxic yung social media sa akin. And
Oo.
right now, I have like a good relationship with social media na.
Oo.
And especially sa akin, nahirap siya umalis kasi may career
Ay, abangan mo eh.
as a marketer, no?
True,
Parang
true.
kailangan ko
Yun
talaga.
And even now,
Kasi lahat ng trends dapat alam nila.
yeah.
So,
I mean, like, even now, na we have our own podcast.
Ay,
that's the insight. So,
True.
nandito, parang something, pero hanapan mo lang na paraan na hindi siya yung magko-consume sa'yo. Ikaw yung nagko-consume.
Just find your own crowd
Mm.
within
Oo.
social media.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's a good thing.
Oo.
Yun lang yung parang one
Balance.
piece of advice for me on how I balance my
Okay,
mental
okay.
health.
Sige.
Kayo,
So far sa akin,
ano yung usual routine mo na nakaka-help?
mag-ano lang talaga ako. May times na magtulala lang ako ng mga 10 to 15 minutes.
Then that's meditating already.
Parang wala ka talaga isipin, nakatulala ka lang talaga. So, parang, sa tingin ko, okay yun siya.
It helps.
Siguro sa kanila parang magkakapi ka lang sa umaga, tulala ka na habang may pandesal, parang gano'n. Or parang okay.
Ganun din sa'yo.
Kaya maisip ko yung mga matatanda na
Gets
ano doon
mo na.
sa, yung parang, kaya pala relaxing din yung buhay ng ibang matatanda doon sa balcony nila ba. Tapos magtingin-tingin lang sa labas.
You know,
Ano
yun
siya,
yung
relaxing siya.
minsan na neglect natin. Yung mga
Oo.
slow and peaceful, quiet
Yes.
times na
Masyado na fast-paced na
Hindi kasi
tayo.
talaga
Nakaka-help
yung
siya.
generation
Oo.
ng millennial and Gen Z fast-paced.
Fast-paced tayo.
It's because of also the culture that we created for ourselves.
Yun
Oo.
lang.
Kasi, di ba, like,
Yeah.
for example, on social media, in every day that you go through, like, for example, on Instagram, we see stories. Parang, every day may ganap yung mga following natin. May ganap sila. So, parang alam mo yun, like, hala, dapat may ganap din ako. So, parang naging na-force tayo to do something, like, either travel, either hang out with friends, or something career-related. It's because we put those thoughts in our subconscious na we have to do this in order to keep up. So, naging fast-paced tayo.
somehow may peer pressure din na involved.
Yeah,
diba?
exactly.
Oh,
Peer
man.
pressure.
Iba yung hustle din yun.
Oh, instead of putting it on reels,
Uh,
you gotta keep it real.
Bars.
Yeah. And hindi lahat, guys, ng sinasabi ng mga influencers, no, ng content creators na, ay malay mo, pagising mo bukas, nakabook ka na ng something to somewhere. Just make sure muna na, di ba,
Kaya niyo.
capable tayo.
Okay,
Oh.
kayo financially, physically.
Just choose them wisely.
Just that wisely.
Kasi you have the power. You are
You're in
giving
control
them
of
the
your
power.
phone.
Yeah. To influence you.
You.
So parang piliin mo kung ano yung gusto mong ma-influence ka. Or
Pwede ka naman mamili. Sino
Yeah.
lang, ano lang makita mo. Yeah.
Anyway, how about you? How do you stay
Balance.
balanced?
Yeah.
I try to, so cute. Sorry po. Sorry, let's go back.
Kami ano?
How do I balance my mental health? I actually, I'm not sure if, like, I could flaunt this. Kasi I might think na I'm good at it, pero I'm not. Pero, I try to do self-assessment
Mm.
to keep myself balanced in a sense na sometimes kasi we tend to be selfish. Like, hindi kasi ako yung tama, sila yung mali, dapat ganito dapat yung nangyari sa life ko. Pero when you look at it in an objective perspective, like in a third person perspective, you tend to realize na, oh, I was wrong. Sorry. I was wrong.
Self-check.
Ayun, self-check.
Okay.
I was wrong. So, for me to keep my mental health balance, I need to check myself as well.
Mm.
Kasi sometimes we're the person or we're the toxic giver.
Mm.
Or we're like we're the one who's giving like the problem to the world rather than the world giving us
It's not-
problem.
It's not you, it's me.
Oo. So, we need to also check ourselves in order to balance our mental health in a sense na, yung thoughts pala natin, hindi na pala siya, it's giving poor mental hygiene.
Yeah.
So, we need to check ourselves, okay, ito pala yung
So,
mga nagawa kong mali,
Mm.
ito pala yung mga irrational thoughts na I provided myself. That's why poor mental hygiene ako.
Mm.
So I need to
Yeah.
cleanse that by
Like cleanse with stuff.
accepting na
Oh.
I've done some wrong and I
Mm.
need to take accountability and try to be a better person every day.
mhm.
Yun lang.
This isn't applicable sa lahat siguro.
Mm-mm.
Pero we are in control of what we think. Diba? Alam naman natin yung iba, walang capacity to really think for themselves fully.
Kasi wala silang
Kasi may
time din.
influences talaga sila ng other people. And hindi yun agad-agad ma-unlearn. Pero yun, kung meron man mga kayang mag-think for themselves, yun, minsan kausapin nyo rin sarili nyo.
Yeah.
It's not wrong to talk to yourself.
Yourself, yeah.
Talk to yourself in the mirror, yung mga ganyan.
Oo.
Tsaka
Kailangan nyo din, yun, ikaw yung sarili mong first friend. Parang ikaw yung
No.
first ever friend mo eh. So
Oo,
parang,
yung
talk to
sarili mo
yourself,
talaga
that's
eh.
fine.
Oo.
Tsaka you have to also realize na that's why we have irrational thoughts. It's also because of our brain trying to protect us. Kasi sometimes, di ba, we tend to be anxious kasi traumatized tayo from like a previous
Mm.
experience. That's why we think na, kasi ganito, ganyan, kahit hindi pa naman nangyari. So,
Okay.
Bottom line is, you can't really trust your brain because sometimes our brain feed us thoughts in order for us to be protected. Kaya, self-assessment is really recommended para lang aware ka kung ano pa ba yung totoo, sa ano pa ba yung hindi na totoo.
Okay.
So that's our, 1, 2, 3 cents. No. And
One, two, three.
parang kung ano yung routine namin on how we stay balanced, mentally. So next segment would be
Crisis.
crisis mode. Crisis mode. Oh my God. So ito, medyo madami yung nakaka-relate for sure.
Crisis
Especially
mode.
adults.
I hope.
You learn from our experiences.
Yeah. Or the experiences na mabasa nyo through comments or like sa social media.
Oo.
Yeah.
Parang ano rin kasi for preparation nila kapag nag-adulting.
Malay mo, baka help talaga.
Ganyan,
Diba?
True.
Yun yung goal namin.
Yun talaga yung vision ng
Hindi naman kami yung representation ng
Oo.
generations
We
namin. We just share our
Yeah.
own experiences
Oo.
in each of our parang respective generations. So for our crisis mode, medyo mabigat siya na word. Pero we're talking about burnout.
Ooh.
So,
Uy.
Ooh. Wait lang.
burnout. So this is a big problem talaga. Lahat ng bagay lahat ng aspects ng life natin. Pwede mo siyang ma-experience.
Yeah.
And especially for us adults, meron tayong burnout sa family, on how we handle our relationships. May burnout tayo sa career, sa work, di ba? Medyo
Yan talaga.
mabigat yung burnout sa career.
Mm.
So, yun, let's talk about handling mental health struggles, burnout, and how do we deal with them. Who wants to go first?
Sige, I'll go first. Actually, this year, it was really such a burnout year for me. It's because I've just graduated from my master's. Tapos, it was hard for me to balance my internship, my work, at the same time, my school. Parang it felt like, sa school pa, may research making. So, parang it felt like, wait lang, parang as someone who is not really good at time management, at the same time, parang I'm the person kasi na isa lang dapat yung focus ko. Like, isang aspect lang. I can do it, pero dapat may timeline. Ayun. So, since I'm really bad at time management, I'm also bad at time planning. Like, to plan out. Like, ito dapat priority ko. Ito. So, ayun, I'm not talented at that aspect. So, it was really hard for me to balance out those things like work, school, and my internship, and like sa research making din. Kasi research, di ba, like, I guess everybody can relate pag sa research, lalo na if like you're alone. Di ba, ang hirap i-balance yun. Ka pa, you have to figure out who are your participants, you have to figure out ano ba yung flow ng research mo, ano ba yung methodologies mo, ano ba yung instruments na need mo. It's really taxing, tapos meron ka pang internship na you have to be there. Like, you have to get the hours na needed. At the same time, may work pa ako. Na, yeah, it was really too much. Tapos, full-time box work. So, I have to figure out kung ano ba yung priority ko.
It drains you, no?
No.
Lahat na nangyayari all at once. And minsan hindi mo na alam kasi wala ka ng energy din.
No.
Super exhausted ka. Yun yung problem with burnout. Na parang hindi lahat magigets ka. Pero, yun, ubos ka na talaga eh. Diba? Saan ka pa kukuha? Kung ubos ka na. Yun yung problem kasi with burnouts.
Yeah. Yung pag-recover din.
Recovery is, it will take time.
Yeah. Pero
It really takes time.
I think I'm getting there naman din right now. Like with this month, like I've been applying for jobs kasi I believe I'm ready now. Tapos, eto, passion project, it's finally happening. At the same time, like, the support that I get from my family. So, yeah. It will get better eventually. Pero yun, hindi nga ako sa burnout. Sorry, I've yelled too much. But,
It's okay.
Okay lang. Pagdaanan mo din yan.
Lahat tayo dumadaan kasi din talaga sa, diba? Yun lang yung problem with, parang too much na siya. Madaming aspects ng life mo affected. And with your losses.
Oo. Sabay-sabay pa
diba?
talaga.
Sabay-sabay sila eh. Saan ka kukuha? I mean, emotionally, physically drained ka na. So,
doon ako nakaano ng parang grabe na burnout. Parang sa tingin ko sa edad talaga na yung parang papunta ng 30s.
yeah,
Nandyan lahat.
Nandyan talaga lahat.
Kasi parang naghahabol
scared
ka
na.
lagi. Scary.
Scary.
It's scary.
It's so scary.
wala pa
Oo.
30s.
Like, to be
Yan
honest,
talaga lahat
I'm
eh.
very, very scared when I get 30.
Bakit?
It's the new 20s. Parang feeling ko doon dapat kasi talaga nag-start na yung career mo and everything. Kasi diba, the 20s now are like the fun stage.
Yeah.
Your stage to discover, your phase to discover yourself. Or like the life stage that you need to discover yourself. Ang 30s kasi, it's called now the new 30s. Napansin mo,
New 30s.
usually people are getting married in their
30s
30s.
now.
Kasi yun yung new 20s. Then yung parang decide ka na ng career, getting married, and everything. So parang I'm scared to get at that age. Kasi parang, wala.
Dapat ganyan
Seryoso
na
ka
ako.
No, seryosohan na, hindi na playtime.
Oo.
Wala experimentation na.
Pero,
Pero,
iba talaga.
knowing you,
Oo.
I've seen how you are as a person.
Oo.
Like, it's not as scary.
Yeah, oo.
Kasi
I think
ikaw,
mas
diba?
enjoy ngayon. Kasi parang hindi ka na mag-care as much nung 20s.
Yeah.
Parang,
That comes with aging talaga.
oo.
Yung
Parang
you
nandun
don't
ka
give
na sa
as much.
gawin ko na lang gusto ko. Parang, 30s na ako eh. Parang
Ano pa
ganun.
bang pinapatunayan natin?
Oo, yun.
Yun yung maganda.
Yun, oo. So,
With aging. Kasi it's not as, parang, as serious as, hindi lahat is seryoso. Yung mga bagay naman na sineseryoso. Hindi lahat ganun ka-serious yung mga bagay-bagay. So, move on. Kasi life is short, diba?
Oo. Uy,
And unpredictable talaga
may
in
blood
life.
pa naman. Uy, wag naman.
Burnout.
Yun lang sa maintenance meds lang kapag 30s.
Yun.
Yun.
Take your
Lalo na yung
health.
mga umiinom dyan. Yung
Bawas-bawas na tayo.
drinking.
Bawas-bawas na, no?
Yung mga grabe makakain ng balbako.
Bulba ka.
Oo. High blood.
Dami ba yun?
Dami mo dyan ang balbako dyan.
Konti lang doon. Hindi ako mahilig sa pork. So.
Oo. Mabula lang.
Childhood,
Oh, batsoy kami.
Oo, masarap din ang batchoy daw.
Batchoy.
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 Oo. May only batchoy na soup doon.
Wait lang, sidetrack ako. Pero dati akala ko yung plant na boksoy, akala ko it's called batchoy.
Oh, hey.
Kasi di ba may
Lagi,
green something. May green something din nilalagay sa batchoy. I thought
Parang
that was
petsoy
it.
yun, di ba?
Petsay, yeah, petsay
Yun.
pala.
Batchoy.
Akala ko boksoy. Anyway.
At least, you learn everything
Hindi.
talaga. Oh.
Burnout. Any
Sa burnout?
other additional thoughts pa sa burnout?
Yung lalo na sa atin na maraming masyadong side hustles.
Yeah.
Parang na-normalize na natin
Mag-side hustle.
side hustles.
Yeah.
Yung parang hindi sapat yung isang income lang.
Well, to be fair, hindi naman
Diba?
natin kasalanan yung generation natin yun. Kasi, have you seen the economy today, guys?
Yeah.
One is not enough.
Our parents keep telling us, by your 20s, you need to have your own mortgage, blah, blah, blah. You need to have your house, blah, blah, blah. How do you expect us to do
Paano?
that?
How?
In this
Ganito.
economy.
Yeah.
Oo.
In this country.
Well, sa tingin ko, country talaga natin may problema din sa ganyan.
Yes. In the next elections, the upcoming Senate elections, please vote wisely.
Vote for someone who will show up. If absent sila sa Senate hearing, do you think he will show up for you?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Yun yung burnout. Sa akin,
burnout.
usual siya nangyayari talaga, especially for us na nasa corporate. Sa corporate talaga siya. Medyo may burnout. Parang exhausted.
Oh.
Hindi mo na alam na parang ang daming demands, ang daming
Super.
hinihingi,
Hirap makisama.
ang daming may
Demand.
politics ka sa work
Totoo.
na kailangan
Ah.
anuhin,
Politics.
na i-address, tapos yung kulang, madaming peer pressure, madami kang i-people please. Tapos, diba? Isang katawan lang pero madaming
Oo.
demands
Oo.
from you. So, medyo nagigets ko na yung mga napapagod talaga in life.
Oo.
Kasi work pa lang yun Wala pa yung problema sa family,
Oo.
problema mo in your relationship sa other people. So parang, ano lang siguro, take a breather minsan. Take a rest.
Oo.
And sa mga managers na gustong kunin lahat ng trabaho,
Oo.
na parang, guys, you can delegate those. Kaya kayo may other people. Minsan yung micromanaging kasi, hindi mo din sila
Oh my God, I hate micromanaging.
Oo. Pero hindi mo
Oo.
sila minsan valid din siya
Oo, valid.
Kasi, accountable sila masyado sa work nila na parang, ayusin nyo. Parang, gusto nila perfect yung work. So, as much as possible, minsan, yung mga other
Sobrahan na
micromanagers,
talaga sila.
super controlled.
Oo.
Controlling sila sa work ng mga officers nila, assistants nila, associates nila, subordinates. So, yun na siguro. It's always a balance of everything. No? Yun lang naman for burnout.
Grabe rin yung tumatagal lang 20 years sa company.
Saludo kami sa inyo.
Iba grabe. 5 years nga, medyo hirap na butin ngayon. Oo.
PSA lang, I'm very much thankful for the workmates that I was with, whether 2 years ago, 3 years ago, however years ago. I'm very thankful. I'm just saying guys, yung time sa grieving ko, I'm not saying na you should grieve with me. The world doesn't revolve around me. I'm just saying it was hard for me
To
to deal with that. Na it also felt like at that time na people were being insensitive. Pero again, kasi nag-self-assessment ako, I realized the world doesn't revolve around me and I have to grieve
Alone.
Yeah.
Yan talaga.
May accountability sa end. Hindi mo na sinisisi.
Hindi I'm just parang I was hearing myself, parang wait lang, baka isipin nila. No.
It's a matter of parang ano lang talaga. coincidences. Timing lang talaga na wrong timing siya.
Wrong
Ganun.
timing lang na
Wrong timing
nandoon
yung
ka sa
mga
job
action,
ngayon.
Tapos,
may
that
nangyari.
happened. Okay, I'm very much thankful.
Siguro isipin din natin na nasa point ka kasi na very sensitive ka. So,
Yeah.
the littlest of things, feeling mo insensitive na yung mga
other
tao.
people, yes,
Pero
exactly.
yun lang. Buti yan, yung may self-assessment.
Oo.
Self-check.
Kala ko sabihin natin na galing ako sa company ko. Tapos, hindi naman sa toxic sila. Toxic talaga company ko.
Guys, yung mga toxic companies
Uy.
naman, hindi na sila, di ba?
Hindi naman sa government office.
Hindi lahat.
Yung isang office.
May mga companies.
Dati workmate kasi tayo.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God!
Hindi naman sa gusto namin ni Men, pero yun.
Huwag nyo na i-mention,
Oo.
guys.
Wala
Huwag nyo
na
na lang
yun.
tinang mo later.
Ano yan? Ay,
Oo. Parang dinamay kita bigla. No?
yung company. Na parang huwag iubusin yung self niyo just because of that company.
Oh.
Kasi even sa remote working, even sa mga work from home, the people ngayon, na professionals, hindi mawawala yung may mga kasama talaga sila na Pinoy or mga kahit hindi Pinoy na parang feeling nila sila yung may-ari ng company. Na parang ubos na yung oras nila. Guys,
Umaga.
kung may mangyari sa inyo, hindi yung company yung first na pupunta sa lamay nyo.
Hindi.
Parang gano'n.
Hindi talaga.
Kasi, alam nyo yun, maghahanap lang sila ng ibang papalit sa inyo.
True.
That's so true.
Replaceable.
Na-
Take care of yourself.
Yung nag-corporate ako, na-realize ko
Kumusta?
talaga. Actually, hindi corporate, kasi sa government.
No.
Na-realize ko talaga, you're replaceable.
Replaceable. Yeah.
Anyway, so that's our crisis mode. So if you have parang ano yung say nyo about burnout, about taking care of yourself.
Oh, lalo na yung
About
nag-deal ngayon ng burnout.
Yes. Handling mental struggles ngayon, mental health struggles. Share your advices, share your tips and tricks kung paano natin to
Ma-face.
ma-face
Oh.
and malabanan, overcome together.
Yes. Okay.
Napaisip ako.
Oo.
Kasi kaya natin eh. Diba?
Oo.
Kaya mo yan.
Kaya namin?
Oo.
Kaya mo?
Kaya
Kinakaya.
mo yan.
Ay, hindi pala. Kinakaya namin.
Kaya. Yun yung importante.
Oo.
And for this week, we have our question of the day, our QOTP. So, simple lang, but important. What's your go-to self-care routine?
Ooh.
Yun lang. Drop it on our socials at CISOPH. Share lang kayo, guys. Kasi kami, na-share na namin kanina kung ano yung mga usual routines and habits namin and how we take care of ourselves, how we balance mentally, diba? Or if you guys have anything to add, what's your go-to self-care
Ayun,
routine?
yung parang
Just pamper yourself.
Oo. Journaling.
Oh. Hindi ba yung
Ano yan?
draw?
Meditation.
You draw?
Nag-drawing din ako doon.
Do art.
Architect.
Do what makes you happy.
Wala.
Even if parang 5 minutes lang.
Oo.
Gawin mo siya everyday.
Pagluto.
Oh. Or like
Kanino ka masaya siya
watching series, watching movies, reading books.
Kung saan ka masaya. Basta hindi ka nakakatapak ng ibang tao.
Period. Nice. That's so Gen Z of me.
So yun lang, guys. So guys, that's it. That's our question for the day. Please share it with us. Continue this conversation. Drop it on our socials at
CISOPH at
saan tayo?
Instagram, Discord, Twitter, and then YouTube. TikTok. Then, for YouTube, comment down below.
Yes.
Yay.
Ano naman ba? Mga Twitter bros. X.
Huy! X na talaga. X. Twitter. Twitter na sabi ko rin doon. Oo, yun lang.
Thanks for joining us. This is a very important topic. Because this is really our, yun nga, sinabi namin, this is our one of the anchors talaga kung bakit namin pinursue itong podcast. This is very important to each of us. We want to spread awareness about mental health and yun lang, follow us at CISOPH for more CISOPH
Update.
the podcast.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Next time, see you soon.
Bye. Bye.
Thanks for tuning into Seesaw the podcast. We hope you enjoyed today's conversation.
Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts to catch new episodes every week.
Follow us at CISOPH on Instagram, TikTok, X, and join our community on Discord. Let's continue the conversation. Kita kids, this is Seesaw the podcast.